I'm Wendell Stockton with Grimmway Farms in Lake Park, Georgia. I'm responsible for the farm food safety as well as the packing sheds and the processing. We have a variety of crops here. We do everything from carrots to sweet potatoes to onions to organic veg and blueberries. When I come in the mornings, one of the first things that I do is open up the hub and I'll look at what's happened in the previous day in case I've missed something. And I also am looking at real-time data as to what's going on at the current moment. Approve documents from the day before, and I also have the opportunity to check in on my employees through the hub and make sure that they're on task with their activities. So before the hub, I was using a competitive software, and we didn't have a lot of flexibility in that software. Since moving over to the hub, we've had a lot of good success in being able to move over to the forms, download our SOPs and our standards, and everything that we need is just right there in one spot so that it's audit ready. One of the things I really have liked about the hub is that we have flexibility within the templates, which is something that most other softwares did not offer. Through that, we're able to develop our own templates. We also are able to modify them internally and get them fine-tuned to exactly what we need. With the internal audit feature, we're able to compare our standard to what our SOPs and our documents actually reflect and make sure that they match up and that they're meeting the expectations of the standard. There are functions in there such as the ability to downscore ourselves, and by the time that we actually have the audit, we have all of our ducks in a row. Using Auditor Access has really increased our efficiency. We can send access to our records to an auditor so that they can do a desk review from a remote location, or if they are in-house, we're still able to give them a time frame that they can work within, and they're able to look at our documents and compare it to the standard. So when I was first exposed to the hub, they brought in their food safety people to talk to me, and we were using a different software at the time that I was having trouble with the flexibility of. And the folks at Highland came in and their answer to everything was, we can do that. With the hub, we're able to have notifications in place that alert us whenever we're outside of our parameters, and we're able to make sure that our corrective actions are implemented instantly, and I have the confidence that it's being done in real time. One of the key features of the hub is its ability to allow us to train our employees, and regardless of whether they speak Spanish or English, we're able to use it across multiple platforms, whether they're farm guys or they're in the packing shed or processing. We have a variety of education levels and we have a variety of languages, and it kind of bridges all of those gaps.